In the cool of the evening, they used to gather 'neath the stars in the meadow, circle near an old oak tree. At the times appointed by the seasons of the earth and the faces of the moon. In the center often stood a woman, equal with the others and respected for her work. One of the many we call the witches, the healers and the teachers of the wisdom of the earth. And the people grew in the knowledge he gave them, herbs to heal their bodies, spells to make their spirits whole. Hear them chanting, healing incantations, calling for the wise ones, celebrating in dance and song.
Isis har startet Ayana, Hecate meter Kali, Inanna. Isis har startet Ayana, Hecate meter Kali, Inanna. Isis har startet Ayana, Hecate meter Kali, Inanna. Isis har startet Ayana,
allegiance to the Church of Rome, and the Pope declared the Inquisition was a war against the women whose power they feared. In this holocaust against the nature people, countless men and women died. And the tale is told of those who by the hundreds, holding together, chose their deaths in the sea, whilst chanting the praises of the Mother Goddess. A refusal of betrayal, women were dying to be free.
Isis Astarte Diana, Hecate Demeter, Kali, Inanna. Isis Astarte Diana, Hecate Demeter, Kali, Inanna. Isis Astarte Diana, Hecate Demeter, Kali, Inanna. Isis Astarte Diana, Hecate Demeter, Kali, Inanna.
Is a witch, and the men still burn her, stripping her down with mining and the poisons of their wars. Still to us the earth is a healer, a teacher, a mother. She's the weaver of the web of a life that keeps us all alive. She gives us the vision to see through the chaos. She gives us the courage. It is our will to survive.
Isis Astarte Diana, Hecate Demeter, Kali, Inanna. Isis Astarte Diana, Hecate Demeter, Kali, Inanna. Isis Astarte Diana, Hecate Demeter, Kali, Inanna. Isis Astarte Diana, Hecate Demeter, Kali, Inanna.
I come to you from the house of the weavers, house of the weavers. I come to you from the house of the weavers, house of the weavers. Dreaming grandmothers with wisdom hands and lizard's tongue. Dreaming grandmothers with wisdom hands and lizard's tongue. I fly with you from the house of the weavers, house of the weavers. I fly with you from the house of the weavers, house of the weavers. Fly, fly with my eagle eye and willow wing. Fly, fly with my eagle eye and willow wing. I dance with you in the house of the weavers, house of the weavers. I dance with you in the